None of your science experiments seem to work right? Maybe Gay-Lussac can help with that. Gay-Lussac's law is a big name for a simple idea. It says that when you keep the volume of a gas constant, its pressure rises as the temperature goes up. Imagine a balloon on a hot summer day. As it warms up, the air inside expands, making the balloon stretch out more. Now think about a pressure cooker. Heating it up makes the steam inside build pressure, cooking your food faster. That's Gay-Lussac's law in action. This law helps chemists predict how gases behave in different conditions. It's crucial for everything from cooking to rocket science. Yup, even launching rockets relies on understanding these gas principles. So next time you're feeling the heat, remember Gay-Lussac's law and how temperature and pressure are best buddies in the world of gases. Keep exploring, keep experimenting, and stay curious, young scientists.